middle, this is inferior. Superior, you see there is two nerve there, two root, then middle one, and this is two.
And the trunk what
No, this is trunk. This is trunk. Because first root, it is near the spinal cord, okay? Near the vertebral column, the root of the neck. Then here the trunk. Then trunk, then is division. All posterior division form the posterior cord, and the anterior division of this upper trunk and middle trunk form the lateral cord, and the anterior division of the lower trunk form the medial cord. This is lateral cord. The anterior division of upper and middle form lateral cord. Anterior division of this form the medial cord.
But it's not that obvious in the
No, yeah, here no. Here the trunk. Superior trunk, middle, inferior trunk. Then nerve, you see here. Then this is a small nerve, okay. But you see here, main one is this median, this ulnar. This is radial. This is radial. Okay, it goes from the posterior side. This is radial. Here, just you can differentiate. This is median. And this is ulnar.
What is the ulnar?
This is ulnar. This one ulnar. This is median, okay? And this is radial. This is radial.
median, the big one or the small one?
Median, these two. These two. Median. This is the here axillary artery up to this, okay? Up to this axillary artery. Then brachial artery. And then brachial artery here it bifurcate. Brachial artery, then this is radial artery, this is ulnar artery.
So what is this?
This is
Part of the brachial?
no, this is
Posterior.
no, yeah, I told you this. It maybe it bifurcate above, or it's center branch. No, this is brachial artery. Yeah, this is brachial artery.
So what's
this is the branch. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a superior ulnar collateral artery. Superior ulnar collateral artery. Superior ulnar collateral artery. This is the brachial artery. Then it bifurcate here, radial artery, ulnar artery. Okay.
Doctor, how about the ligament of the hand? You have to
OSPI, no, the ligament. Here, no need for ligament, just only here ligament and shoulder.
Can you
There
just
is more
explain
than here.
briefly the muscles here?
Muscles. This is biceps brachii. This is coracobrachialis. This is brachialis.
So, wait, coracobrachialis is here and it continues till
No,
here?
no. Coracobrachialis, it finish here. Then brachialis begins. Okay. Coracobrachialis does not come up to this. In the middle of the arm, it terminates.
Brachialis is same as brachioradialis.
No. Brachialis is muscle here. It do this action, flexion. Okay. But brachioradialis is here.
This is brachialis.
Coracobrachialis. You see, this is coracoid process, and it supply and it is in the arm, so it is coracobrachialis. Coracobrachialis and the short head of the biceps in the same origin. Okay? So, and this is the long head of the biceps, and this is brachialis. But brachioradialis, you see here, this is brachioradialis. This is brachioradialis. Okay.
So the triceps is
Where
right
is
here.
this one?
Yeah, triceps is
أول
here.
واحدة.
Triceps,
Yeah,
triceps is here. The triceps is all this together. All this together, triceps. Okay, all this together. This is,
What is it?
I think it's missing.
yeah, it's something missing here. Okay, because they remove the things to see the nerve. Okay.
You're not supposed to know that.
for the forearms,
Yeah.
muscles.
Okay. So forearm muscles. Okay, the flexor. So flexor, you think the first the superficial one.
Because the deep ones are hard.
So you see here, this is flexor carpi ulnaris. Then this is palmaris longus. Palmaris longus. This is flexor carpi radialis. Okay. And when we remove this one is flexor digitorum superficialis. And when we just remove this is flexor digitorum superficialis. When we remove flexor digitorum superficialis, then profundus. Okay. Then this is profundus. Okay. So and the And other deep muscles is here, the like this, that is pronator quadratus. But we can see here, okay. And and pronator teres is this one. This one pronator teres. This is pronator teres. This is brachioradialis.
What is the pronator teres?
This is pronator teres, okay, the oblique one. And this is brachioradialis. And when we remove brachioradialis, this is supinator. See, this is supinator.
Not this.
No, this is supinator. Okay. And the other extensor muscles you see here, this brachioradialis, then flexor carpi, extensor carpi radialis longus. Okay, with the brachioradialis. So this is extensor carpi radialis longus, then extensor carpi radialis brevis, then extensor digitorum, extensor indicis, then extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay, this is these muscles. Another set of muscles here. This is abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, and this is extensor indicis. This one extensor digiti minimi. Okay, this is extensor indicis. Just only partly you can see.
Minimi will extend to this.
But this is extensor indicis. Okay, so first this group and second this group. Okay. These are the muscles, and you see here, this is adductor, this is adductor pollicis, yeah, adductor pollicis. Okay, but usually this is like this is the real thing. This is adductor pollicis. No, this is adductor pollicis. Sorry. What is this? Yeah,
Adductor pollicis longus.
no, abductor is here. So this is adductor pollicis. This is not. This is thinner. This is hypothinner. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.